Vision Wheel has long been known as a value-focused brand. But lately, they've dropped a few styles that really hit big. On the other side, A2i Mags is a premium name. Higher price point, classic designs, and known for higher-end quality. Different brands. Different vibes. Let's break down the difference. Real quick: Vision Wheels versus A2i Mags. Vision Wheels are all about value. They offer a huge range of sizes, multiple bolt pattern options, and styles that fit everything from daily drivers to classic trucks, all at a more affordable price point. A2i Mags, on the other hand, focus on premium, but higher-end finishes, tighter tolerances, and a more classic performance-inspired look at a higher cost. So, what's the choice? More options and budget-friendly with Vision Wheel, or premium styling and craftsmanship with A2i Mags. Now we take a look at some vehicles with the chain and the Scottsdale. Before and after, you see the 8-lug option of the Cheyenne, or the lifted and lowered options of the Scottsdale.